This is why you can't sneeze with your eyes open. Let's dive into the science. When you sneeze, your body is expelling irritants from your nose. But why do your eyes close? It's actually a reflex. The sneeze reflex involves multiple muscles, including those around your eyes. When you sneeze, your brain sends a signal to shut those peepers tight. It's a protective mechanism, preventing particles from entering your eyes. Fun fact: sneezing can propel droplets up to 100 miles per hour. So next time you feel a sneeze coming on, don't fight it. Blink and let it out. Want more cool science facts? Hit that subscribe